we solve 3-4 problems. Exercise 6b, page number 148. First of all, fourth question. Find the angle between the lines whose direction ratios are 1, 1, 2 and root 3, minus root 3, 0. Find the angle between the lines whose direction ratios are 1, 1, 2 and root 3, minus root 3, 0. Here given that direction ratios of two lines, the DRs of the first line, let A1, B1, C1 is equal to 1, 1, 2. The DRs of the second line, let A2, B2, C2 is equal to root 3, minus root 3, 0. The DRs of the two lines. First line DRs A1, B1, C1. Second line DRs A2, B2, C2. If theta is the angle between the two lines, if theta is the angle between the two lines, then cos theta is equal to A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 by under root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into under root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square is the formula. Given that DRs A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2. The angle between the two lines formula. Cos theta is equal to A1 1 A2 root 3 plus B1 1 B2 minus root 3 plus C1 2 C2 0 whole divided by A1 square 1 square plus B1 square 1 square plus C1 square 2 square into root A2 square root 3 whole square plus B2 square minus root 3 whole square plus C2 square 0 square. Cos theta is equal to 1 into root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus root 3 2 into 0 whole divided by 1 square 1 square 1 2 square 4 square root cancel 3 minus whole square plus root 3 whole square 3 plus 0 square 0 minus root 3 plus root 3 minus root 3 by root 6 4 plus 1 5 plus 5 plus 1 6 3 plus 3 6 minus root 3 plus root 3 get cancel root 6 into root 6 6 cos theta is equal to 0 by something 0. So cos theta is equal to 0 means cos 90 degrees. Here theta is equal to 90 degrees. The angle between the two lines is equal to 90 degrees or pi by 2 radians. The angle between the two lines is 90 degrees. Next one, third one. Find the cosine of angle between the lines whose direction cosines are 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 and 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 0. find the cosine of angle. Cosine angle means cos theta. Cosine means cos theta. Find the angle between the two lines whose direction cosines are. Here given that direction cosines means DCs of a two lines. First line DCs L1 M1 N1. L1 M1 N1 is equal to 1 by root 3 comma 1 by root 3 comma 1 by root 3. Second line DCs L2 comma M2 comma N2 is equal to 1 by root 2 comma 1 by root 2 comma 0 are the DCs of the two lines. If L1 M1 N1 and L2 M2 N2 are the DCs of the two lines and theta is the angle between the two lines. If theta is the angle between the two lines, then cos theta is equal to mod of L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. Cos theta is equal to L1 1 by root 3, L2 1 by root 2 plus M1 1 by root 3, M2 1 by root 2 plus N1 1 by root 3, N2 0. Cos theta is equal to 1 1 1 root 3 into root 2 root 6 plus 1 by root 3 into root 2 root 6 0 into something 0. Cos theta equal to 1 by root 6 1 by root 6 2 by root 6. Cos theta is equal to 2 by root 6. Cos theta is equal to 2 by root 6. Here cos theta is equal to 2 by root 6. Root 6 is equal to root 3 into root 2. Cos theta is equal to 2 by root 3 into root 2. Here multiply divided with root 2. Root 2 root 2 to cancel. So cos theta is equal to root 2 by root 3. Cos theta is equal to root 2 by root 3. Therefore, cos theta is equal to 2 by 3 root. Root m by root n is equal to root m by n. This is the cosine angle, means cos theta. Cos theta is equal to 2 by root 3 is the answer. Again, one problem. Exercise 6b, first bit, fifth problem. First bit, fifth problem. Show that the lines with direction cosines 12 by 13 comma minus 3 by 13 comma minus 4 by 13 and 4 by 13 comma 12 by 13 comma 3 by 13 are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other. Show that the lines with direction cosines are 12 by 13, minus 3 by 13, minus 4 by 13, and 4 by 13 comma 12 by 13 comma 3 by 13 are perpendicular to each other. Means find the angle between the two lines. Here we prove that the angle between the two lines is 90 degrees. If the angle between the two lines is 90 means two lines are perpendicular. The given DCs, first line DCs L1 comma M1 comma N1 is equal to 12 by 13 comma minus 3 by 13 comma minus 4 by 13. Second line DCs L2 M2 N2 is equal to 4 by 13 comma 12 by 13 comma 3 by 13. If theta is the angle between the two lines, then cos theta is equal to mod of L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. Cos theta is equal to L1 12 by 13 L2 4 by 13 plus M1 minus 3 by 13 M2 12 by 13 plus N1 minus 4 by 13 N2 3 by 13. Cos theta is equal to 12 4s are 48, 13 13s are 169 plus into minus minus 3 12s are 36, 13 13s are 169 plus into minus minus 4 3s are 12, 13 13s are 169. Cos theta is equal to, here taking LCM 169, 48 minus 36 minus 12. Cos theta is equal to 48 minus 36 minus 12 minus 48 by 169 plus 48 minus 48 get to cancel. Cos theta is equal to 0 by something 0. So cos theta is equal to 0 means cos 90 degrees. Here theta is equal to 90 degrees means two lines are perpendicular to each other. If angle between the two lines is 90 means two lines are perpendicular each other. This is the process. Given that DCs of the two lines, find the angle by using the formula cos theta is equal to mod of L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. This is the process for finding the angle between the two lines. Similarly, this process, number of problems, 2 or 3 problems